Hello everyone, today we want to find the value of x and y from this given nice math problem. X squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 10y plus 13 is equal to 0. Then x plus y is equal to 2. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. X squared plus y squared plus 6x plus 10y plus 13 is equal to 0. Let us call this equation 1. Then x plus y is equal to 2. Let us call this equation 2. Now from equation 1, x squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 10y plus 13 is equal to 0. Let us compare. We have x squared plus 6x bracket plus y squared minus 10y bracket plus 13 is equal to 0. Now we need to complete the square. That is, to complete the square of x squared plus 6s, then we need to take the half of 6. This is 6 multiplied by 1 over 2. This is equal to 3. Then we need to square it. This is 3 square. This is equal to 9. Therefore, s squared plus 6s is equal to s plus 3 all square minus 9. Now let us call this equation 3. Also, to complete the square of here, y square minus 10y, this is half of minus 10. This is minus 10 multiplied by 1 over 2. This is equal to minus 5. Let's square it. Then to square it, we have minus 5 all square. This is equal to 25. Therefore, y squared minus 10y is equal to y minus 5 all square minus 25. Let us call this equation 4. But we have x squared minus 6x plus y squared minus 10y plus 13 is equal to 0. Now let us substitute equation 3 and 4 into this equation. Then we have s plus 3 all square minus 9 for this, plus here will be y minus 5 all square minus 25 plus this 13 is equal to 0. Then minus 9 minus 25 plus 13, that will give you minus 21. And we have s plus 3 all square plus y minus 5 all square minus 21 is equal to 0. S plus 3 all square plus y minus 5 all square is equal to 21. Let us call this equation 5. Now from equation 2, x plus y is equal to 2. Then y is equal to 2 minus x. Now let us substitute this into equation 6. From equation 6, we have x plus 3 all square plus y minus 5 all square is equal to 21. Then if you substitute y is equal to 2 minus s, we have s plus 3 all square plus y is 2 minus s minus 5 all square is equal to 21. S plus 3 all square here is, then plus minus x minus 3 all square is equal to 21. Now we have s plus 3 all square. If you take the square of this, we have plus s plus 3 all square is equal to 21. Then s plus 3 all square plus s plus 3 all square. This is 2 bracket s plus 3 all square is equal to 21. Now let's divide both sides by 2. This divided by 2. These two cancel these two. S plus 3 all square is equal to 21 over 2. Now let us take the square root of both sides of this equation. We have square root of s plus 3 all square is equal to plus or minus square root of 21 over 2. This cancel this. S plus 3 is equal to plus or minus square root of 21 over 2. S is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 21 over 2. Therefore, S1 is equal to minus 3 plus square root of 21 over 2, or S2 is equal to minus 3 minus square root of 21 over 2. These are the value of x. Now to solve for y, then we know that y is equal to 2 minus x. Now y is equal to 2 minus y1 is s1 is minus 3 plus square root of 21 over 2. Then y1 is equal to 5 minus then square root of 21 over 2. Also, y2 is equal to 2 minus bracket minus 3 minus square root of 21 over 2. And then from here, y2 is equal to minus times minus will be plus. Then 2 plus 3 minus times this minus will be plus root 21 over 2. Y2 is equal to 5 plus square root of 21 over 2. Therefore, our final answer are s1, y1 is equal to minus 3 plus square root of 21 over 2, 5 minus square root of 21 over 2. Also, s2, y2 is equal to minus 3 minus square root of 21 over 2 comma 5 plus square root of 21 over 2. These are the values of y and x. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.